Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to see some word problems on lesson rational numbers. So let's start. First question is, the product of two rational numbers is minus 35 upon 18. If one of the numbers is 5 by 12, find the other. So friends, here what is given? Here we already get the product and one of the number is given. So we need to find out the required number. So friends, here required number you can find out. You can find out required number just by simply product divided by the given number. Here it is a product. The product is given and one of the given number is there. We can find out the required number by performing just product divided by the given number. So what we need to do, friends? We need to do minus of 35 upon 18. We need to divide it by 5 by 12. So friends, we'll do it. These are the rational number division. We know that we need to first keep the first rational number as it is and we need to take the reciprocal of this second rational number. So friends, we'll perform it. Minus 35 upon 18. We will convert this division sign into multiplication, and 5 by 12 we will flip it. Means we need to take the reciprocal. So it becomes 12 upon 5. Friends, we can divide it. 5 ones are 5. Here we can go for minus 5 sevens are 35. Again friends, we can take 6 twos are 12 and 6 threes are 18. Now whatever left you write down here, minus 7 into 2 and here 3 into 1. So here minus of 40 in the product and in the denominator here 3 ones are 3. So the another number is minus of 14 upon 3. Again you can convert it into the mixed one, that is 3 fours are 12, that is of minus, and 2 by 3. So friends, you can write down into the mixed one also. So the procedure is very simple. Whenever the product is given and one of the number given, so you need to do just write down product divided by the given number. So friends, you can get the required number. Now another question is, by what number should minus 55 upon 18 be divided to get minus of 22 upon 9. So friends, here it is very easy. Just we will consider, let the required number is x. Let required number will be x. So friends, we need to divide this number, that is minus of 55 upon 18. We need to divide by something or some number to get a minus of 22 upon 9. What we want to get? Minus of 22 upon 9. So this is our equation made here. We need to divide minus of 55 by 18 by some number so that we'll get minus of 22 upon 9. So we need to solve it. Here x is there, x is nothing, means x by 1 it is actually. So we can write it like this. Minus of 55 upon 18. Here it is in division. So division will perform like a rational number. We'll take a multiplication sign and we'll reverse it. That means we need to take a reciprocal. X by 1 will convert into 1 by x. Here we have taken a reciprocal. X by 1 will write 1 by x because here division is there. Is equal to minus of 22 upon 9. Now friends, just see here, if we'll solve this, we will get the value of x. So we'll solve it. We can just write 55 ones are minus of 55 ones are 55 and divided by 18 into x or 18x minus of 22 upon 9. Friends, just do the cross multiplication here. Here we need to do the cross multiplication. So we'll write minus of 55 into 9. That is, here we are going to do the cross. Minus of 55 into 9, which is equal to minus of 22 into 18 into x. Afterwards friends, these are in the multiplication. We'll take them downside. Minus of 55 into 9 divided by minus of 22 into 18, which is equal to x. In this way we'll get the value of x. What we have done friend, here we have taken first reciprocal. After reciprocal, we just taken the product of numerator and denominator. 18 into x means 18 into x. You can write it like this. Now here I have performed the cross multiplication because I want the value of this unknown x. So here you can cancel the minus sign. You can get 11 2s are 22, 11 5s are. Here 9 1s are, 9 2s are. So afterwards here 5 into 1 left, friends. So here I will write x is equal to 5 into 1 here and divided by 2 into 2. That is, you can write x is equal to 5 by 4. So you get the value of here x, that is 5 by 4. That means you need to divide this minus of 55 by 18 by this number in order to get minus of 22 upon 9. Now friends, we'll move to the next question. Here we have given what number should be added to minus 6 by 11 so as to get 4 by 9. Here friend, the question is related to the addition. We have given the sum and one of the number given and we need to find out another number. So friend, we need to find out the required number. So required number is very easy to find out. First of all, concentrate on given data. Here we got the sum. Here we have given the sum, that is 4 by 9, and one of the number is given. So if we minus this one of the given number from this sum, we can get the required number. So sum is 4 by 9 and we need to minus it, that is minus of 6 by 11. Friends, it is a sum given and one of the number is given and we need to find out the required number. So here you can see here 4 by 9. Here minus of minus, while opening the bracket you will get it plus 6 by 11. Now you need to solve 4 by 9 plus 6 by 11. You can take the LCM of 9 and 11. Otherwise you can simply do the cross multiplication. So we'll go for the cross multiplication. 4 is going to multiply with this 11 plus 9 is going to multiply with this 6. And in denominator we need to multiply 9 and 11. Always remember, when you want to do the cross multiplication, multiply this numerator with this cross denominator and this numerator with this denominator, and in the denominator final to this. So 11 4s are 44 is there and 9 6 are 54, divided by here 11 9s are 99. Just perform the addition of the numerator, friends. You will get 98 upon 99. So friends, here the required number is 99 upon, so your required number is 98 upon 99. Now friends, we'll go for the another question. What number should be subtracted from minus of 8 upon 15 so as to get minus 5 by 6? So here subtraction is there, so means you have get the difference here. You got a difference of two rational number, that is minus of 5 by 6. Just like here sum provided, here in this subtraction problem you have provided with the difference, and one of the given number is here minus 8 by 15. So friend, what is, you have to subtract something from this number. What a number should be subtracted from minus 8 by 15 means you need to subtract from minus this 8 by 15 some number. Like suppose that required number is x. Here we have considered x as a required number. You can consider required number as a x. So you need to subtract this so that you will get minus 5 by 6. Now just simplify it, this equation. So here we'll simplify minus 8 by 15. This minus of 5 by 6 will bring to this side, it will become plus of 5 by 6. And we'll send this x was in minus. When you are changing its side, it become a plus x. So now just you need to solve it. So friends, you can again take the LCM of 15 and 6. Otherwise cross multiplication. Here 15 and 6 LCM will take 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. So LCM is just 5 into 2 into 3, that is 30 will be the LCM. So friends, you need to convert this 15 into 30 and this 6 into 30. So we'll convert it minus 8 by 15 do it mentally that 15 should be multiplied by what number so that to get 30, that is 2 by 2. If you multiply in denominator, so you have to do in the numerator also. Plus 5 by 6. 6 you need to convert into 30, so you need to understand what number you should, that is 6 5s are 30. And what action you will do here in numerator, you have to do in denominator also. Now product 18 2s are 16 upon 30, and then plus here 5 5s are 25 upon 30. So friends, now just remember here denominator write down the ones. Here you can write x. Here minus 16 plus 25 is there. Friends, look at here, one negative integer and one positive integer is there. So perform the subtraction. Remove the smaller number from a bigger number. You will get 9 by 30 and the sign of bigger number will be there. Now friend, 9 by 30 you can simplify. 3 3s are 9, 3 10s are 30. So 3 by 10 is your final answer. So 3 by 10 should be subtracted from minus of 8 by 15 in order to get minus 5 by 6. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.